Who's going out riding today? Just filled up at my favorite place, Buc-ee's. Hey, Buc-ee's, feel free to sponsor me on some fuel if y'all want, because these skis love to drink fuel, and I am always traveling to different places. What's up, y'all? So we're back on the water again. I couldn't resist it. Every weekend, back to back, I gotta go out if I'm available to go out. I got Kevin here. We're doing a new ride, new area. Tell us all about it.
Taylor Bayou, I guess it's not that new. It's probably created by God about 4 billion years ago.
New for us.
It's new for us. We mapped out about 104 miles of water. Hildebrand Bayou, Big Hill Bayou, Taylor. And so we're gonna see how far we can go before we run out of water or it gets too shallow.
Exactly, so we'll see you on the water. With 110 miles of distance we're gonna be riding, you cannot forget to make sure you have extra fuel. And the perfect rack to have is PWC Super Racks. Link will be down in the description below. All right, guys, we just launched. As you can see, look at that nice docking that is provided here. Not very much docking there, and some nails sticking out. I said, forget that. I was even gonna go try to put it right there, but there's like stumps that are broken. I guess that used to be a dock. We got April out here. She's new to Xtreme. Hey, I always tell her that girls are badass on their own with their own ski, riding their own ski. You don't need to be riding on the back, right? Exactly.
Shit from Tina, I'm a savage. Yeah.
Do y'all have your relive on? Okay, it's on.
Eternal.
it's haul ass now.
I know, we're learning it.
Hey, I was like, the depth is wrong. It can't pick up a depth. It was like 600 something.
Bottom.
What'd you say?
Maybe some mucky bottom.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was wondering if I'm hitting mud. I was like right here it says 153 feet.
What's happening?
He was fixing something. He dropped something.
I stopped mapping this trail
Long time ago?
turns back. And so I just like, fuck it, looks cool. Let's just keep on trucking a little ways. I want to run up this cut.
Okay.
We're gonna see what's over there, and if it gets skinny and looks like we're gonna suck up a bunch of plant life.
Is that you?
Oh shit.
You're overheating.
I literally just said, and then we're gonna suck up a bunch of plant shit.
Oh look.
I wasn't peeing. Who's next? Kill it! Kill it! Like me. Yeah, we got grass in intake.
Hey, let's just go that way then.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what would happen to him. Guys, it's never a dull moment with us. As you can see, there's some stuff all on the bottom, like floating or just floating in the water. So we got to try to get it all out.
I'm just not showing them to you anymore.
Kevin!
This is every handful. Yeah.
Yeah.
And all the water's like full of it. It's not just like it's everywhere. Like I'm like I mean, it's the grass is everywhere.
Kevin, what are you pulling out of his ass? Show us. Show us.
There. Todd, what are you keeping in there?
This is what we're pulling out of our skis right now. Well, I barely had any, but everybody else had a whole shitload. But let's hope. I just looked right now and I didn't feel anything. So we're gonna go run it real quick. Wish me luck, everyone. Wish me luck. Let me go into deeper.
You ready?
Guys, I'll take marsh over this shit. I'm trying to reach into there, make sure I don't have shit in there, but there's like hey, it's right under the boat. It's not even in.
No, it's rolling up to like 50 inches from the top.
deep. Where's Kevin? No, I'm good. I'm good, but I didn't want to leave everybody.
You're no good?
I'm good. I didn't want to leave everybody. This is the perfect spot to do this though, because there's not a lot right here to like pull out everything that you can, because look, you can. There's none like floating.
Right. Well, Kevin and Gary, they're all still jammed up.
They're jammed up. Shit, I would have.
As soon as they give it a little bit of gas, it just.
He's got it like removed. This is what I did. I got everything from underneath here. It started it and hauled ass.
That's why I was waiting on them to go, because I knew I was clear. I didn't want to go by you either and cause wait while you're trying to get underneath it.
Yeah. I don't really have any. It's like this is all I have. If I do have some and they're small.
Yeah, it should grind it up.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I better haul ass. Just haul ass. But I don't want to leave them. But that's what I'm saying. It's like see how right here there's none?
Yes.
Hey, you guys having extra difficulty?
Well, Gary is and Kevin is. Like Kevin's skiing, as soon as you get over the gas, it won't go, and Gary's the same.
Here. But Kevin's still back there?
Yeah.
Gosh.
We're Alvean.
I would. I'm just waiting for him. Here, let me help you. Let's lift up.
Wait a minute, I got a hole. What? Well, we're going to be sucking it up until we get out of this bayou. So tell them to get it functional and get it running.
Yeah, I'm clear.
And overheat, and let's get out to deeper water where there's none of this crap, and then we'll do a good clean out.
Yeah.
Agreed, Mark.
But we're still waiting for.
Yeah, we're waiting on Kevin and Araceli. They're on the other side.
For
I
them.
don't know if I should